Hi there friends, Mrs. Gleason here. Today you're going to learn about writing chapter 1. Let's get started. So, in chapter 1 you're going to introduce your first character, and in this case is your dragon. And you want to start off with something that's not going to just say, his name is. You want to be a little more interesting. So, something like, there once was a dragon that lived down in the woods. His name was, or something like that. Something that you just kind of slowly work in his name or her name. Also, describe what your dragon looks like. So you'll use your sheet that you have, and that will help you move right along with this as well. So, what does the dragon look like? Describe he or she. Not just the physical features, but maybe like size and strength and anything that you can think of that might help someone understand your dragon and be able to just close their eyes and think about what it looks like. Also, what job does your dragon have? Where does he or she go to work? What does he or she like about their job? What do they do? Kind of make it interesting. Describe it a little bit. Even add a little humor if you can. How does he or she feel about their life, their work? And that can turn in also to the last part. You have to talk about the problem. So the feelings about their problem, does it really make them scared or angry? Try to go into deep detail so someone who's reading your story or listening to your story really knows what the dragon is feeling and what their job is and what their problem is. One thing that I like to tell students is to use the 5 senses. So think about, what do you see? What do you hear? What does the dragon smell like? Does it feel like? And probably not taste so much in this case, but in other chapters you might use the sense of taste as well. So take your time, write a nice draft. This doesn't have to be perfect. You'll be able to write over it and make corrections. If you're doing this on your iPad or a computer, you can change it up as you go. If it's on paper, you can cross things out and add things. This is just your first draft. Do your best. Read it to someone else, see what they think, and then you can add more and change it up. Good luck on your first chapter.